I'm Monster Truck Dan. Let's learn the alphabet. Ooh, Monster Truck Dan! Hi, A. Kids, that's A, the first letter of the alphabet. A, what are you doing?
I'm working at the gas station. Do you want some fuel in your tank?
Sure, A. Let's see what mischief B and C are up to.
Hi, Monster Truck Dan. Hi, Monster Truck Dan.
Hi, B and C. How are you letters doing?
I'm doing good, Dan. I'm doing better, Dan.
Be careful, D. Are you hurt?
No, Monster Truck Dan. I'm a strong letter.
Take care, D. How are you, E?
I am fine, Monster Truck Dan.
Where is F? He's not to be seen.
Hi, Monster Truck Dan. Here I am. Are you going to the city?
Yes, F. I'm going to the city to meet G, H, and the other letters.
Give our regards to them.
Hi, G and H. What are you letters doing? The two of you look tired.
We're waiting for the bus. We are running late to meet I and J.
Why don't the two of you join me, and I will take you to I and J. Look there, it's I and J, waiting for their friends G and H. Hello, I and J.
Hello, Monster Truck Dan. Thanks for dropping G and H. Bye, Captain.
What happened, K?
I'm playing with L, M, and N.
L pushed me, Dan.
I'm sorry, K. It was all in fun.
L, you are a playful letter. Have fun, but don't hurt your friends. Where are M and N?
Yo, Monster Truck Dan.
Hi, M and N. Have fun. Kids, what is that? Can you guess which letter it is? It's O. How are you, O?
Hi, Dan. I'm good. Have a great day ahead.
Hi, P, Q, and R. Where are you letters going?
We are going to the park, across the street. I want to play on the slide. I want to play on the swing. I want to play on the seesaw.
Have fun. Hi, S. What are you doing up there?
Hi, Dan. I'm playing hide and seek with T. Can you help me find T?
T is hiding behind the tree.
Got you, T. Hi, Dan. How are you?
Hello, T. I'm good, thank you.
Hi, Monster Truck Dan.
Hello, U and V.
Hey, Dan. Hi, Dan. Hey, Dan. Hi, Monster Truck Dan. Hi, Monster Truck Dan.
Hi, X, W, and Y. Have a good day. Hi, Z. How are you, buddy?
Yo, Monster Truck Dan. I'm good. I've been looking for you. Where have you been?
I have been meeting all your friends since morning. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. I hope you kids had fun. See you all next time.